Hello everyone, in this video we are going to learn how to share Google Drive files to Facebook pages. Suppose you want that as soon as a new file is uploaded in your Google Drive in a specific folder, automatically it should be shared in the form of a new post on your Facebook page. So how we are going to do this process automatically and effortlessly? For that we will have to integrate Google Drive with Facebook, and to do the same we are going to use Pabbly Connect, which is an amazing automation and integration software. Now what we are going to do, we have Google Drive in our trigger and Facebook pages in our action. So we will be connecting both of them by using Pabbly Connect in such a way that as soon as a new file will be uploaded in your Google Drive, automatically it will be shared in the form of a new post in your Facebook page. And to learn this entire automation step by step, let me take you all to my screen. In this video, we are going to learn that how can we automatically create a post on Facebook page by using Google Drive. That is, I want that whenever a new file is uploaded in a particular folder of my Google Drive, automatically it should be shared in the form of a post on my Facebook page. Okay, so let's start learning this process step by step. First of all, in order to create this workflow, we have to come on our browser and then we have to search for pabbly.com/connect. When we do that, we will come on the landing page of this software, and here we can find two options: sign in and sign up for free. So if you are an existing user, you can directly sign in, but if you are a new user, you have to click on the sign up for free button to create your free new account, and it will take only 2 minutes. Also, at the time of account creation, you will get 100 free tasks to explore this amazing software. Now, because I'm already an existing user, therefore I'm clicking on sign in. And this is the all apps section of Pabbly. So here we can find all the products which are offered by Pabbly. Now to create this workflow, we are going to use Pabbly Connect. So let's click on access now. And it will take us towards the dashboard of Pabbly Connect. So here we can find all the workflows which we have created on this dashboard. And to create a new workflow, we have to click on this button, create workflow, given on right corner. Let's click on it. And now a dialog box is appear in front of us. First of all, we have to assign a name to this workflow. So let us give a suitable name. So I have given the name as share Google Drive files on Facebook pages. So this is a name which I have assigned to this workflow. You can give any name to your workflows according to your choice. Now after this, we can also select the folder in which we want to save this workflow. So I want to save this workflow in home. So I have already selected it. Now let's click on create. And as we do that, we can find that two windows are open in front of us. First is the trigger and the other is action. So what are trigger and actions? Trigger and actions are the basic principles or the basic concepts on which the entire workflow of this automation runs. Here we can have only one trigger in any workflow, and this is the very first step of every workflow, but we can have multiple actions. Okay, so the trigger says when this happens and the action says do this. That means the action is always the response towards our trigger. Now here, let's suppose in this workflow, we are taking Google Drive in our trigger and Facebook page in our action, and we want that as soon as a new file is uploaded in a folder in our Google Drive, automatically in response to that same file should be shared on our Facebook page. So this is the concept of trigger and action. Now let's start creating this workflow. First of all, we have to select our trigger application, which is Google Drive. So let's select it. And now we have to select the trigger event. So the trigger event is the event on the happening of which the workflow should initiate. So here I want that as soon as a new file will be uploaded in a specific folder of my Google Drive, then the response should be captured here in Pabbly Connect and this workflow should initiate. So let's select new file in specific folder, and now let's click on connect. So here from the given options, I'm going to select add new connection to build a fresh connection with Google Drive. Now let's click on sign in with Google. And here we have to select the account. So I have selected the account. And now Pabbly Connect is asking us for the permission to access our Google Drive. So let's click on allow, as it is 100% safe. And our authorization is successful. So because I was already logged into my Google Drive, therefore making a connection with Pabbly Connect has become very easy. So you also have to keep in mind always to keep log into your Google Drive before making up a connection with Pabbly Connect, as it makes the connection simple and easier. And automatically, because I was logged in, so Pabbly Connect has detected the account also. Okay, now let's move on, and here we have to select our folder. So what I'm going to do in order to show you, I am going to create a new folder here just in front of you. Let's click on this new button and we will click on new folder. Let's name it as test folder. Okay, click on create, and here a new folder with name as test folder is created. Let's open it, and now whenever a new file will be uploaded in this folder, we want it to be shared automatically on Facebook page. So for that, what we are going to do, we are going to upload a file here. Let's click on new again, and now I'm going to click on file upload. Okay, so I will upload a random file, let's say this. Okay, click on open. So this screenshot is uploaded here. Now what I'm going to do, I am going to select this test folder there in Pabbly Connect. Okay, but before that, in order to share this file with everyone, we have to do one more setting. We have to click on share button. The access to share this file is restricted with some people only. In order to share it with all, we have to click on anyone with this link. Okay, so we have selected it, and now let's click on done. Okay, now we will go on Pabbly Connect and we will select this folder. So first of all, let me refresh this field, and we will select test folder from the drop down. Okay, so this is my folder. So this is my folder. I have selected it, and we have already uploaded an image in this particular folder. So because Google Drive is polling based and it is going to check for the data in every 8 hours. So now when we click on save and send test request, we are going to get the response which was recently added in a form of a new file within 8 hours. Okay, so because we have just now created that folder and we have added the image, we are going to receive the same image in the response. Let's click on save and send test request, and we have received the response along with the details, and this is the link which we are going to share in the form of an image on Facebook page. Okay, so now by using this response which we have received from Google Drive, we are going to create a new post on Facebook page. Okay, so now let's select our action application as Facebook pages. Let's select it. And in our action event, we will select create page photo post. It says add an image to your page with a description. So I want to add an image along with the description in order to create a new post on my Facebook page. So I am selecting this create page photo post, and we will click on connect. So let's go with add new connection, and here we have to click on connect with Facebook pages in order to build a connection. Let's select the account, and automatically our authorization is successful because I was already logged into my Facebook account. Okay, now let's move on. Always keep in mind to keep log into your Facebook account before making up a connection with Pabbly Connect. Now we have to select the page. So here on Facebook, I have several pages in which we can create the post. So for now, I want to create a new post in this Pabbly page. So I'm going to select it here from the drop down, Pabbly. Okay, done. And it is asking us for the photo URL, the URL of the image which we want to share. Okay, so we have received the response from our previous step, that is Google Drive. We are going to use the same response here. Okay, let's select the previous step like this, and we are going to map the data. So this is the web content link. We have to map this link in order to share the image. Okay, let's select it, and it is mapped. Now the next is description. We can add the description which we want to share with the image. I am going to write here, hello everyone, please check out this. Okay, just a random description which comes into my mind. You can add your own description here in this box. Now after adding all the details, let's click on save and send test request. And we have received the response along with a new post ID. Okay, so we have received this ID. That means our post is created on Facebook page. Let's go and check. So this is my Facebook page named as Pabbly. Now let's refresh this page once, and we can find that yes, our post is created. Okay, so it is written, hello everyone, please check out this, and this is the image. So now this means we have successfully built a connection between our Google Drive and Facebook pages in such a way that now whenever a new file will be uploaded in a particular folder in our Google Drive, automatically the same file is going to be shared in Facebook page. Okay, so let's go back on Pabbly Connect, and here as we know that Google Drive is polling based and it is going to check for the new data in every 8 hours. So whenever we will upload a new image in our folder in Google Drive, it is going to check for the new data in every 8 hours and will send the response accordingly, and then automatically a new post will be created in Facebook page. So now this was the full workflow, and these are the steps which we have to follow in order to integrate Google Drive with Pabbly Connect. And this was it in this video. I hope this was helpful for you. Thank you for watching. Not only these applications, but you can easily integrate many other applications by using Pabbly Connect. Now, if you have any doubt, you can easily email us at support@pabbly.com. If you want to ask any query, you can easily reach out to us at forum.pabbly.com. And if you are having any pricing related issue with Pabbly Connect, you can easily reach out to the website given over here. Now, if you find this video helpful in any way, do not forget to share it with your friends. And also, please like our videos and subscribe to our channel to learn more such automation.